Hi, I'm Jim Anderton, Director of Content for Engineering.com. I'm here at the CMTS Show 2015 in Toronto. I'm talking about collaborative robotics. Now, what do we mean by collaborative robotics? Well, you've just seen it in action. I'm standing far too close to any industrial robot. Under any circumstance, that would be a deadly scene, certainly a chance of serious injury. And yet this FANUC robot, essentially, although it's carrying a heavy weight, it's a large unit, has just struck me and stopped with almost no force on me whatsoever. It's quite an amazing system. Chris Reed, he's account manager at FANUC. Chris?
Yes.
Tell me about this collaborative robotics and how this is the state of the art.
This robot is based on our standard M20 robot. So you can see there in the yellow where it says 35IA, that is the standard yellow robot, industrial robot. And now we made it collaborative to work with the human without creating any type of injury to a worker.
Now you mean I'm standing inside a footprint which normally would be an absolute no-go zone or any factory, any place, and I could reach out and I could strike this robot, just touch it with my hand, and it would just stop?
Absolutely, you can touch it anywhere you want, as well as if you stomp on the ground as well. If you create a shock into the robot, will stop.
Well, let's give this a shot.
And that'll automatically restart based on now there's no longer any type of pressure against the robot.
About how much force would it take to get the robot to stop?
It's calibrated to meet on the OSHA standards, which is the safety standard, so it's a very gentle strike.
Now in this case, it looks like you're simulating an automotive application. There's a tire up there. Is this where you see the application for this kind of robotics?
We actually have these already installed doing this application, and it's very common. The idea is this is very work intensive for a human. Imagine trying to lift that tire all day, every day. So now we can use the robot, and the human can still go in and fasten the bolts to keep it in place, and the robot and human can work together now.
Hey Chris, about approximately how much weight typically, what sort of end effector could you fit onto this robot?
That robot can hold up to 35 kilograms of payload.
And do you anticipate automotive as a primary application for this, or will there be other industries where this would be usable?
I'm sure there will be other industries that will be interested in this product. This is new to the market, so right now a lot of the interest is coming from the automotive, but I'm sure it will branch out into other general industrial areas.
State-of-the-art collaborative robotics from FANUC.